What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We're starting this one off at Walmart. Alright, we were just here in the last video with the wife, so let's see if anything changed since then. It looks like they got some Fast and Furious cars here. Man, we're just seeing the same set in all the stores. So they didn't get any boulevards here. Ah, that's kind of sad, man. I wonder if they will or if they, I don't know. I don't know what to think, actually. I'm still seeing that dump in over there. We'll check it. Maybe we'll get lucky. They might have actually gotten some old boulevards because there's two of these vans. And there was only one of them the other day. So yeah, I think they did get an old set. Yeah, there's three of them. There might even be more. What's the good one in that? That's the one I didn't even like. I remember now. With the ugly green M3. Did I end up buying that? I think I did actually, didn't I? And I opened it. So ugly, I forgot. And yeah, this doesn't look any different. One of these sides is empty and the other two are tall. So someone's been through it. Nothing new. Alright, no problem. We'll come back soon and hopefully we find something then. There's a stocking lady that every so often when I see her, I ask her if they have any Hot Wheels in back. Every so often they have a box or something. She said that someone was just there and got 2 cases. What would they want so bad that they would buy the entire case of? Silhouettes maybe? Alright, last time I was at this Dollar General, the employee actually, because I walked up with a Hot Wheel, he said, oh, there's a guy that came in here asking for a shipper. We're gonna get it on the 9th. Let's see if they got it. It doesn't look like it unless they're already all gone. But I'm seeing this thing. That's pretty cool. And it looks like they got a refresh on the Matchbox cars. So this is the store where I first found them. And it looks like they're full again. So let's grab a couple. Ooh. Oh. They're stuck. Yo, that's pretty nice. Ford Mustang Coupe. Dude, what the heck? Chevy van. Puff, rough rides. Yo, that was cool too. Bro, what the heck? Matchbox is killing it. Ooh. Ford F-150 Lightning in black with black wheels. What? Oh, cool, an El Camino. Wait a minute. El Camino. Didn't you? I'm talking to you, my subscriber, El Camino. You wanted a custom El Camino, didn't you? We'll take that then. Get that started for you. If you're watching, please comment if you are. Walmart. Alright, the other store did not have any boulevards. Will this one? Looks pretty much the same all the way at the front. Oh, they got some of these. Okay, they still have some modern classics. Not seeing any boulevards here either. Should I like buy one of these? First ever majorette. Maybe I should buy one of these. Nah, they're all the same. They're all the same. Here's the bin, which last time was full of D-case. Yep. So they didn't get anything new here, and it's been a little bit. It's been a couple, probably about a week and a half at least, right? 2 weeks maybe. Moving on to a Target. Ooh, that's new. Chevy Camaro in green. That's pretty sweet. I've never seen that one. I think one of you told me about this guy, the Hellcat in powder blue. We got a Plymouth Barracuda and then the Lambo. We've seen the Lambo before. Alright, let's go to the main lines. Wait a minute. I got distracted. Hold on. F-case. Yo, F-case. We found F-case. Alright. I gotta like focus here. What's going on? E-case. Dude, F-case, what? There's another Koenigsegg. A feel like the cases are just moving so much faster this year than they were last year. I feel like we were only on like C case in 2024. 2025 has been burning through cases, man. This looks like all fantasies here. Let's see if there's a shipper. I thought there might be a dump in, but there's not. These are new too. Alpha Pursuit, GT Scorcher, Red Manga, and a Hummer. Alright, I'm gonna come back to this and look through it all. I know F case is sick, so here's the Corvette. We'll take that because we don't have that yet. How about the IndyCar pack? Is that here? I know those are hard to find, but eventually we'll see them everywhere. I can almost guarantee it. I think. I don't know. Are they being scalped? Which car is this from? E-case. So wait a minute. How many F-case cars are there here? C. E. E. There's only one F-case car? E. What's happening? P. B. Interesting. The premiums are so full here, but they're all leftovers. This is cool. I'm not sure if I've seen this or not. Pretty sure I have, but that's definitely a cool one. Oh, whoa, Japan Cruisers. Dude, these are all unique. The Subaru 350. That's a good pack right there. I don't know why, but there's one F-case car. Should we just grab it? It's new for 2025. The Hodo Rodo. That's so weird. Oh, this is cool. Look at that. Exclusive Subi. Cool. Well, I'm gonna go through these quickly, but I think there's only one F-case car here. I don't know why, but I think that's all there is. Well, I'm not sure what the deal is with that one F-case car, but I guess F-case cars are hitting target. Time will tell what we end up finding, guys, but we will be on the hunt for sure. First things first, we got the birthday Hot Wheels skateboard decoration here. I might try to get it across here. I just gotta have my neighbor help me drill into here. I think it'll look a little cooler than just kind of like out of scene here. But yep, it's here. If you saw the video where my wife found this at Hobby Lobby and bought it for me for my birthday, now we have it on display for us to see every day. Let's go over what we got. At the Dollar General, we ran into some new Matchbox cars. Again, this time there was ones I hadn't seen already. Last time I found like the orange Porsche Macan or whatever and a couple of different ones. We got this one here. This one's pretty cool. 2022 Ford F-150 Lightning in flat black with black wheels. Dude, that's cool. Also, we're getting an auto sun check right now. Always the best. Less walking for me, quicker viewing for you, but the same type of reactions. That's so corny. Anyways, let's carry on. This thing is very, very cool. Hopefully I can find another one. I'd like to open it. This one's cool here. The 19 Ford Mustang Coupe. This one is also in black, but it is in very sparkly metallic. I'm actually kind of like, I'm into this, man. I'm not a big Mustang guy, but man, that is clean. And this guy right here, this is also new. I don't know if this is just a recolor. I think this is a recolor, right? 1960 Chevy El Camino. Now, a subscriber of mine, his name, ironically enough, is El Camino, had asked me to do a custom on one for him, so here we go. We got the Matchbox version, which is really more true to life, but we also could possibly do it on the Hot Wheels one. So bro, let me know which one you would rather have. This one's more scale. Yeah, it's gonna be tricky with the wheels. Someone mentioned that I should start pinning my own wheels. I agree. So we're gonna have to figure out how to do that, because in this case the wheels I use are gonna be too wide. So, but let me know, which one did you rather have? Also, let me know what details you want. What color do you want, bro? And then at the Target, we ran into F-Case, but we also managed to finally find another one of these Ultra Hots. This one is the 69 Copo Corvette, and of course, Spectra Flame Blue with the flames on the side. Really, really nice. Look at the brightness on that. I always say this, guys, but in case you're new to my channel or you've never heard me say it before, Ultra Hots are Spectra Flame paint, the same paint as Super Treasure Hunts. So the only ones we are now missing is the Volkswagen T1 GTR, the RX-7. I think that's it, right? We got the CRX, we got the Starlet, we got the Outlaw. I keep leaving the Escort behind. I've seen it more than once now. I'm not sure we will ever actually find the VW because, let's be real, VWs are very sought after. I know there's a lot of collectors who love them and don't skip on them whatsoever. So, okay, let's go over a couple things here. So, customs. This guy right here, you've probably seen. Lisa is working on this one, and, well, the paint looks great, the color looks great. There's just one issue. Something was up with the spray nozzle, and it came out in, like, chunks. So I don't know if you can tell, but it's chunky. I sanded it and I wet sanded it. I did my best, but you can see that it's just not it's just not good. I'm gonna see if I can figure out why this nozzle sprayed out in chunks, and I don't know. We'll do another coat, see what happens, if it comes out any better. Maybe I can cover up the chunkiness and then sand it out smooth enough. I really don't know. I may have to do it right after I paint it. I waited about 24 hours before I started sanding at all, but that's mostly because I had just sprayed right before the sun went down. So another thing to consider, clearly this windshield is destroyed because this is a used car. But one thing I kind of like leaving the windshields destroyed because it's kind of like, it kind of makes you remember that this thing was once beat up. I don't know. What do you guys think about that? And I've pretty much done that in every car I've customized that has been restored. I've left the windshield as the only thing that wasn't fixed, just to kind of remember. And I'll show you. Here's an example. This S2000's windshield isn't quite cleaned. I mean, I clean them, of course. I don't know if I did it on this one yet. I don't think I did. And then you could see the Porsche here as well. So, I don't know. I'm not sure how I really feel about that. I just think it's a cool way to remember the car for its previous life that it had, whether it was from a kid or a lot of these cars actually have come, well, this one came from Ricardo, but a lot of these cars actually come from the bin of destroyed cars at the flea market. So most of them have pretty bad windshields. I don't know. So we'll see how this comes out. I just really don't know at this point in time. We'll keep trying though. This guy here I had just painted randomly. This was like the art car. It's normally white with a bunch of blue all over it. I had selected silver, and this one just kind of sat around, but Lisa asked me what cars I have to be detailed, and I said, you know what, go ahead and do this one here. I got to paint the grille black. She really only did the back. This is the only thing she could have done, so I'm not sure where to go with this one, but probably going to finish it up, make it look cool. This one right here, I showed you a while ago. I had painted it red, but then changed my mind and said I was going to paint it white. Well, it's mostly done. It's not focusing because it's so bright. Let me take it out of the, there we go. Oh, did I chip it? No. Okay, we're good. That's not a chip. That's just dirt. Oh yeah, it looks okay. I lost the interior for this one as of right now, and this thing is like a freaking $20 car on eBay, so I can't even get another one for the interior, unfortunately. Even loose, it's expensive, so that's kind of a bummer. So hopefully I find it. I mean, it has to be somewhere, right? It has to be somewhere. I'm a little disappointed. I could just glue the window to the top and totally black it out, and it probably would look okay, but I'll wait in hopes that I do find it. I mean, come on, look how cool that looks. Another win by Lisa. This car here is for my subscriber, Brian. He always comments when I leave the Mavericks behind. He has a red Maverick just like this. He asked me if I could do a custom for him, and well, here it is, Brian. He actually emailed me and said, don't worry about showing it in the video because, you know, it's kind of exciting. So here you go, bro. Come on, you think I'm actually gonna ruin the surprise? Absolutely not. But I can tell you one thing, it looks pretty darn good so far. So we're gonna finish this up and get it out to you, my friend. Lisa did detail it. Look how beautiful that is. Can't you tell? Looks awesome. That's all you're gonna get, man. I'm sorry. And last but not least, this guy here was purchased by my subscriber, Angelo. Bro, you rock. Thank you so much. I'm gonna get this out to you. Enjoy it. Enjoy it. Enjoy it. Thank you so much for the support. That's all for the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Later. Oh yeah, I think I'm gonna start these ones next.